We're about to glue up the tabletops for the side table class right here. And the first thing you do, once you've got the edges prepared, is stand them up on the edge, except for the last one, the one farthest away from you, to roll glue, so you can roll glue on the edges. We apply the glue with a bucket that has a roller and a ramp for cleaning the roller so it goes on evenly. And we apply this glue very liberally so that it is enough to transfer. The surface should look very fluid and should have that little bit of shine that you see when I turn it. You don't want to leave the joint open to the air because it'll dry out, so you immediately drop it down and close the joint. You may have multiple pieces, as you can see in this one, so you apply the glue and close the joint. Apply the glue to the next and close the joint. We have this blue table in our shop, which is engineered to be and stay perfectly flat, covered with plastic laminate and paste wax. With that, we're able to glue just about anything, any number of pieces flat, by placing these what are called curved cauls on top of them and pressing them against the table. That's done first, before the final clamping. The cauls have an outward curve on one side, which, as you can see, causes the caul to curve upward when you clamp one end. When you clamp the other end, the bending action of the caul forces pressure toward the center so that you can clamp any number of pieces to the table. Only tighten the second clamp until the caul just touches down. Otherwise, you will end up bending the center upward. Next, we place the clamps that press the joint and squeeze the glue out. Once the clamps are tight, there should be a small bead of glue at the joint that looks about like this. We use aliphatic resin, also known as yellow glue, which requires 1/2 hour under the clamps when it is warm and dry, and an hour or more if it is damp or cold. Please read the label if you choose another glue. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you around the shop.